Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick, in-depth head-to-head comparison review about these two accounting software platforms, which is Hubdoc and QuickBooks. So let's dive into it. In 2025, QuickBooks remained a leading all-in-one accounting software, offering invoicing, payroll, expense tracking, tax prep, and financial reporting. Essentially everything most small business needs to manage their finances. Hubdoc, by contrast, is not a full accounting platform. Instead, it complements software like QuickBooks by automatically fetching and organizing bills, receipts, and bank statement, then extract data to receive manual entry. Its document management and automation tools are not a standalone accounting solution. So rather than competitors, those tools often work best together. Hubdoc feel plain data into a QuickBooks, saving times and maximizing errors. And here's a very conclusion. If you are looking for a complete account system, QuickBooks is the clear choice for you. But for business that wants to streamline document collection and boost bookkeeping efficiency, using Hubdoc alongside QuickBooks can increase a powerful combo. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.